Hello student, tomorrow we will start new life cycle, that is Trichomonas vaginalis. Trichomonas vaginalis is the flagellate parasite of human female. Its classification is phylum Protozoa, class Mastigophora, order Polymastigophora, Polymastygina, genus Trichomonas and species Trichomonas vaginalis. Trichomonas vaginalis is the flagellate parasite or protist that causes vaginitis. Vaginitis or leukorrhea. Vaginitis means disease of vagina and leukorrhea. Leukorrhea also disease of vagina. In human females, it has a oval or egg-shaped body that reaches a length of 10 to 30 micrometer. Its length is 10 to 30 micrometer. The anterior end bears 4 free flagella. Anterior side 4 flagella are present and less conspicuous cytostome. An undulating membrane exists to slightly more than half the length of the body. Undulating membrane from anterior side to half of the body of that species. A flagellum passes along it. There is also an accessory backwardly directed flagellum, and exostyle runs throughout the flagellate. Exostyle runs from anterior side to posterior side. It projects at the posterior end. The parasite uses flagella. Parasites uses flagella for movement. What is the function of flagellum? That is the movement to transmit or to walking the one place to another place. Its 4 type of flagella at the anterior side. Feeding apparatus also, single nucleus is present, cytoplasm, and one at the centrally exostyle is present, posterior flagella are present, and undulating membrane on the body surface of that vagina, Trichomonas vaginalis. For sticking to genital tract, nutrition is both phagotropic and holozoic, and absorptive multiplication occurs through binary fission. Absorptive multiplication, because its multiplication takes place through the binary fission. One flagella, one Trichomonas vaginalis divide to binary fission and it divide to 2 daughter species. Cyst formation is absent. Its cyst formation is absent means single stage is present in the Trichomonas vaginalis. The parasite causes inflammation. Of vaginal mucosa. Some inflammation or infection occurs in the vaginal region. Some symptoms are there having itching, burning sensation and for the discharge. Itching and burning sensation and for the discharge. The disease is transmitted from men where the pathology resides in urethra, and this type of infection at the time of mating to transmit from female to human male, where the pathology resides in urethra and prostate without causing much harm. Its control measures. How to control this type of vaginal infection? The arsenic medicine, iodine drugs and antibiotics like ariomycin and tetramycin have proved to be helpful to control the infection of this parasite. All these type of medicines to use or to treatment to the patient, and some infection is controlled, and its infection to transmit from one person to another person, that is urethra also infection takes place causing vaginitis disease, and prostate gland also causing this type of infection. This is the flagellate parasites. This is the pathogenic type of flagellates and live in the human female and transmitted from one person to another. Different types of medicines used and to control this type of parasites. Okay, thank you.